Okay, students, here we have a short screen capture of our lesson on balancing a checkbook. As you'll notice, you can balance your checkbook either by hand or on the computer. Either one is fine. Here is a free printable checkbook register, and it has certain information at the top, which we'll look at a little closer on the next slide. And so, as you'll notice, at the very top there's words that designate each column. This one is an abbreviation. It's NUM, which of course stands for number. This is your check number. The next column is for the date of the transaction. The next column is a little bit larger so that you can write in a transaction description. This tells us what you're buying or if a deposit's coming into your account. Now there's two main areas over here. One is a payment, which means money is coming out of your account. So payments refer to money coming out. That could be such things as the electric bill, the water bill, groceries, insurance, money for a birthday gift. Anything that you're paying out comes out of, you write it here and it comes in, you put it in this column indicating the money's coming out of your checking account. Now the next one, as you'll notice here, is the deposit. Now deposit means money is coming into your account. Now over here the final column is that of the balance column, and this keeps track of how much money you have in your account. So if you have payments coming out, the balance is going down. If you have money coming in from a paycheck or some other a gift perhaps someone's given you, then you put it in the deposit, but it shows the balance over here would start going up. Now what we'll look at now is an actual sample of a check that I found. Here, as you'll notice, that's the check number. Right here, this designates the date, and that's kind of an old check, isn't it? It's 2004. Over here, we have the person's name, and then we have their address and phone number. This is the person that is writing the check. Here it says pay to the order of, and here on this line, you would put who the check is being paid out to, which it could be, as I mentioned earlier, electric bill, water bill, groceries, anything could go there that you're paying money out of your account. And here is the designation, the numeric. In other words, numbers are being used here to tell how much money that you're paying out of your account. And then over here you duplicate that, but this time rather than using numbers, you use letters, and you write out the amount of the check right here. As you'll notice, instead of saying 0.45 like here, you actually put 45 over 100. You do it as a fraction. Now, one thing that a lot of folks do, which is a really good idea, is they'll make a mark here or a squiggle line or something so that no one can come in and alter any amounts or make changes to your check. Here, as you'll notice, is a place for the bank to put its name right there, and of course the city, and it looks like they misspelled that city. But anyway, here, as you'll notice, we have a place for the memo. This reminds you of what you bought. So if up here it simply says a certain retail store and an amount, here you could say for shoes, as an example. Here is where you put your signature, and there's some more numbers down here. And this number indicates your bank. This number indicates your account number at the bank. And again, that number 10145 indicates the number of your check. Now, here is a sample that I have sent to you, and you have been working on it. Here again, you notice we have a number, the check number. Here's a date of these transactions. Here we start this balance at $435.99. We pay out groceries, and the balance goes down. We put in our paycheck, if you'll notice, and the balance goes back up. Over here we pay out money to the dry cleaner, and the balance goes down. We pay out money to Captain D's, and the balance goes down. Alright, that's all I have for you right now, and so until next time, arrivederci.